You might be doing way, way better with your money than you actually think. I mean, in a world that's just obsessed with showing off online, the real signs of financial health, they're pretty much invisible. And today, we're going to uncover them.
But seriously, just take a second and ask yourself that. How many times have you scrolled through social media and felt that little pang of insecurity about your own finances? You're comparing your everyday life to someone else's highlight reel. Well, I'm here to tell you, you are probably being way too hard on yourself.
Because what wealth looks like, the fancy cars, the designer clothes, all that stuff, is completely different from what true financial security feels like. See, it's not about the flash. It's about peace of mind. It's about sleeping soundly at night.
And that's exactly what we're all about here at the Financial Exit. We're here to cut through all that noise and help you build real, lasting wealth that you can actually feel. So, here's our game plan for today. We're going to start by totally redefining what it means to be rich. Then we'll get into building your foundation, mastering your cash flow, getting the right mindset, and finally, we'll talk about your next step. All right, first up, redefining rich. This is all about looking past the shiny objects and getting real about what financial health actually means in today's world. And check this out. This is some hard data from the Federal Reserve. Almost 4 out of every 10 adults in America couldn't cover a simple $400 emergency without having to borrow money. And that just goes to show you how fragile things are for so many people, no matter what it looks like on their Instagram. So, knowing that, let's jump into section 2, building your foundation. These next 2 signs, folks, these are the absolute bedrock of financial stability. If you're doing these 2 things, you are building your financial house on solid rock. Okay, secret sign number 1 is a huge one. It's a massive mindset shift. It's the idea that you pay yourself first. See, most people, they pay their bills, buy their stuff, and then hope there's something left over to invest. You do the exact opposite. And that simple habit right there is one of the most powerful wealth-building tools on the planet. And this just illustrates it perfectly. Picture 2 people, right? They both earn the exact same salary. Person A invests whatever's left over at the end of the month, which, let's be honest, is often nothing. But person B, they automatically invest $500 right off the top, and then learn to live on the rest. Fast forward 10 years, and the difference between them isn't just big, it's absolutely life-changing. Now for secret sign number 2, you have a cash cushion for when life, happens. In a country where nearly a quarter of the people have zero emergency savings, nothing, having this fund puts you in a truly, truly privileged position. And look, even a starting goal of $10,000 is a massive achievement. But you gotta remember, this isn't just about the money. This is about psychological freedom. It's the ability to handle a flat tire or an unexpected trip to the dentist without your entire financial life going off the rails. It is, quite literally, peace of mind in your bank account. Okay, on to our third section, mastering your cash flow. This is where we move from just playing defense to actively taking control of your financial destiny. Sign number 3 is all about awareness. You consistently hit your spending and savings goals. Now, this doesn't mean you're a robot or that you never ever splurge. It just means you know exactly where your money is going. You're the one in the driver's seat. And that leads us right into sign number 4. You intentionally live below your means. Listen, this isn't about depriving yourself. It's a strategic choice. Every single dollar you don't spend today is a dollar you're using to buy your freedom tomorrow. Sign number 5, you are the master of your debt, not the other way around. You get the difference between debt that builds your wealth, like a mortgage, and debt that destroys it. You use credit as a tool, not as a crutch. And to put that into perspective, just look at this number. It's absolutely staggering. With total U.S. household debt in the trillions, trillions with a T, simply not being crushed by it is a massive financial victory. So, in a world drowning in that much debt, how do you know if you're in a good spot? Well, here's a fantastic rule of thumb. Try to keep your total debt payments at or below 30% of your income. If you're already in that healthy zone, congratulations. You're showing a level of financial maturity that most people, frankly, never achieve. All right, now for our 4th section, and this one might just be the most important of all, the mindset of wealth, because so much of this game is played right between your ears. And here it is, secret sign number 6. You've quit the comparison game. Social comparison is poison. The moment you stop worrying about the car your neighbor just bought and you start focusing on your own journey, that's when you can truly celebrate your own victories, like your first $1,000 invested or paying off that nagging credit card. That's what really matters.
Now, before we get to our final secret sign, we need to get on the same page with this crucial term, net worth. It's the ultimate financial scorecard. It's really simple. It's everything you own minus everything you owe. That's it. And that brings us to the seventh and final sign: your net worth is consistently growing over time. Notice I didn't say it's exploding or rocketing to the moon. The key here, and this is so important, is that the direction is more important than the speed. As long as that number is trending up, month after month, year after year, you are winning. Okay, which brings us to our final section, your next step. Let's wrap all this up and talk about how we can turn these signs into lifelong habits. So here they are again, all 7 secret signs in one place. You invest first, you have an emergency fund, you hit your goals, you live below your means, you manage your debt, you play by your own rules, and your net worth is growing. I'm telling you, if you identified with even 4 of these, you are so far ahead of the curve. Let's end on this powerful idea. Just let it sink in. Real, lasting wealth isn't loud. It's not flashy. It's built in the quiet moments through consistent, boring habits far, far away from any spotlight. So now I really want to hear from you. Down in the comments, let me know which of these 7 signs resonated with you the most. Which one are you most proud of? Or maybe which one are you going to start working on starting today? If this helped you see your own financial picture in a new, more positive light, do me a favor and hit that like button, share this with someone who needs to hear it, and of course, subscribe to The Financial Exit. Your journey to financial freedom really does start with the very next decision you make. You've got this. Keep going.